I was cruising the beach, looking for bird activity, something going crazy. Where are they at? It's a ladyfish. Are these all ladyfish? Oh my god, this is insane. This is a blitz. There's got to be something besides ladyfish in here. This isn't. Is that a ladyfish? That's a big ass ladyfish. Come on, just kick it. Throw it off. Right here in front of me. Feeding frenzy. Good balance. Oh, there's a big wave. The waves are getting kind of crazy. There we go. Oh, right here. Oh, this is insane. They're just jumping. Doesn't even look like they're eating that much. And I got a big one on over here. Man, I expect to see some sharks or something in this. Dude, this ladyfish has got some fight in him. He is not letting me get him. Oh, it's because he's foul hooked. I'm pulling him in sideways. Oh, I think he just... Now this is spectacle. That's just pretty cool. Well, that's what, like, I swear I don't see any bait. It's just the ladyfish. And they're not really striking the spoon that great. They're kind of short striking it. The ones I've been hooking up on have been in the back and not... Oh yeah, right in front of me. This is insane. Oh, I'm seeing some bait. It's just not a lot. They are just voracious. Everything that they're doing, voracious, right here. It's a little tiny.